Hello everyone, so in today's video I will try to uninstall Citrix AOT, so Always On Tracing log server from on Linux Ubuntu. We have here the information on how to do it. Nevertheless, it is important that all those instructions are meant for the root user. So if you do not have the root user, or you don't have access to the root user, you will need to get access, because this part, this folder is created in the root directory. So let's first take a look at the Docker itself now, at the container. So I'm here connected with my account, so not with the root, but we can use sudo and docker, and now we see our container, so it exists and it's started. Let's shut it down. Stop. It needs a couple of seconds. And after a couple of seconds, it should turn it off. And then if we do one more time the same command, you can see that it is not running, but it is there. So with the -A, we can also see the turned off containers. So let's first take a look at the start script, because the start script so let's start script. So this is the script that is used to start the container, and as we can see, those two lines here, they do mount, so they are not present on in the container itself. They are mounted as drives inside the container, and they point to the root directory and this this folder directory. So I can show you if we go on L. I don't know if I have. Let's do it sudo, then root. Okay. Yeah, permission denied, but with sudo, let me, no problem. Let's switch the user. Switch to root. Okay, now I'm directly in the root folder, and we can see this log server. So this is what the starting of the container does. It does mount this directory inside the container, so that all the logs and the config are saved outside of the container. In case you have an issue with the container, you do not lose the config and the logs generated by all your infrastructure. Let's take a look inside. So we have the config and the data. So this is why I mentioned that the container itself should be started and deleted using the root account, because home here refers to the home of the root user. Okay, so let's try to remove it. Okay, so what was the command? Docker remove force boxer. Okay, we can do that. Okay, and the other one was okay. Now it should be gone. Okay, now Docker, no image, and the next thing, Docker images. We will not see anything. Docker images. Yeah, so there is nothing there. Okay, so we removed it, but we still have the log. So here where all the data is saved, so this we need also to remove. Let's see how does Citrix say. So okay, let's try this, even if we can do it without the home, because we are already in that path. Let's see, and that should be gone now. Okay, so we have completely removed the container and the data that this log server stored. Okay, yeah, well, this was it. I will create a new video on how to reinstall it back from zero, recreated, because I have another video with this subject and I had a few issues, but those issues were just because I used a different user, not the root user. So thank you for watching. This was a short video, and yeah, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and all the good stuff, and have a great day.